Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of iLogs. Today's episode is all about amblyopia, or in simpler words, lazy eye. This is about children who have one eye weaker than the other and how parents can diagnose it early and treat it. Just to spill some facts, amblyopia affects at least 3 in every 100 children, and that's millions of children worldwide. So, lazy eye is something that affects children, and that's a very common disease and it can be treated. So, it's very important to know how to diagnose it early and how to know whether my child has lazy eye or not. Sometimes parents don't even realize before it's too late. This video will guide you all about it. Lazy eye or amblyopia develops when one eye doesn't develop proper vision as compared to the other eye during childhood. Normally, the brain sends equal signals to both eyes for vision. When the brain doesn't send enough signals to one eye, because of the causes that we are going to discuss, that leads to one eye developing weakness as compared to the other eye. So the brain eventually starts relying on the stronger eye for vision. That is called amblyopia. So what causes amblyopia? There are three main culprits. One is strabismus or misalignment of eyes. The signals from both eyes will not coincide, so the brain will suppress the misaligned or the misdirected eye, causing it to become amblyopic. Second cause is blurring of vision. That happens when the refractive error or the numbers between two eyes are very hugely imbalanced. So if one eye has a very high power as compared to the other eye, that turns out to be the weaker eye and that can turn amblyopic. The third cause is deprivation or blocked vision. For example, if somebody has a droopy lid from childhood, from birth, which is covering one eye, or else a cataract. Yes, kids can be born with cataract. When that happens, the vision gets blocked from birth, and that is why the signals do not reach the brain. So, very importantly, as a parent, how can you tell whether your child has lazy eye or amblyopia? Because kids are not going to be able to express their problems very early on. So, there are few signs that you should look out for. First is if they are squinting, that means if they are squeezing their eyelids together to be able to see better. Secondly, if they are favoring one eye over the other or they are tilting their head, that means if they are trying to see in this manner, where only one eye is trying to concentrate, or they're tilting their head to be able to see properly as a habit. Sometimes it's just a vague habit, but most of the times it can cause a problem and it can lead to amblyopia. So you can definitely consult your doctor to know more about it. Regular eye exams and regular eye checkups are what catches this early. So when you come to us as an ophthalmologist, we will check the child's vision. We will see how much difference is there between the right and the left eye to diagnose which eye is amblyopic, and also we will give treatment to treat the lazy eye. Yes, very early on if we diagnose lazy eye, it's easy to treat it, but it requires a lot of cooperation from the child as well as from the parents, and it is a time-taking effort. The best part about this is it can be treated really well if it is caught on early. So the simplest way to treat this is glasses. It's as simple as that. If the child does not have glasses to correct their refractive error, whether it is to see at a distance or near, then it can lead to amblyopia. Glasses, or else in little elder children, contact lenses themselves can help to treat amblyopia. There is an exercise which can help to strengthen the weaker eye, which is called patching. Patching involves occluding or closing one eye and allowing the other eye to perform certain activities or very interactive games and exercises. So, when we are patching the eye, it is important to know that if the patch is applied on the glasses, then it is easy for the child to tilt their head and see across the patch. That can lead to failure of the treatment. So it is better to just occlude the eye with patches which are available easily over Amazon and other sites, so that you can easily use the patch and the treatment will be successful. Also, if cataract or any squint or misalignment of the eyes is causing the amblyopia, correcting that surgically can help reduce amblyopia and sometimes can effectively treat it. So children can be tested even as early as 1 year of age to find out if they are amblyopic or not. Yes, there are tests which can tell us that. So it is important to conduct routine and early checkups for children so as to be able to diagnose whether amblyopia has set in or whether the child has completely normal vision. So here we come to the end of another episode of iLogs. To know more about eye health and eye care, please share and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and drop us a comment down if you have any questions and you want to suggest any more videos to us. Thank you.